a very delicious recipe. It's fried eggplant with honey on top. It's delicious, believe me. Let's get started with the ingredients, and remember that if you want, in the box below you can print your PDF with the recipe. Okay, so let's get started.
For this recipe we need 2 eggplants, 2 tablespoons of salt, a glass of milk, plain flour, and honey. Let's start by cutting the eggplants. I always cut them into sticks, but today I want to show you 2 ways. You can make very thin slices, or you can cut the eggplant into sticks, as you like. We put the eggplant in a bowl and add the salt on top. We stir well with our hands and let it rest for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can see how they have lost part of the water. Drain the water that they have released and rinse very well to remove the excess salt. Add the milk. If you see that it doesn't cover well, add a little more. Let it rest for another 30 minutes. Drain the milk very well. Now we are going to flour the eggplant. I usually do it in a plastic bag. I put the flour inside and gradually add the sticks. Shake off the excess flour and put it on a plate. Add plenty of vegetable oil to the pan. I use sunflower oil. Heat the oil to 170–180 degrees and fry in batches. We leave them on a rack to drain the excess oil. Sprinkle a little salt on top. Put them in a bowl and pour a little honey on top. And it's ready to eat. Enjoy!
So thank you very much guys for watching. We hope you enjoy so much this recipe. It's so delicious. It's so crispy outside and so soft inside. We will see you in the next video. Bye!